Listen, first off, it's your boy MR.84. Let me drop this real and down to the floor. Get my foot on the gas so I can feel the breeze. And please, don't be afraid when you see me. To all the homies out there, got nothing to do. Pull up, feel the vibe from your big old ooze. Kung iyak ko sa'yo kasi malulu. Fasaki-saki ako ay illegal cruise. Set the ride in the left on my black. Got my shoulders always sled in my chest. Representing SAMOAN 100%. Come kick it with us, or else hit the doubles, come cruise with us. Engine rip it up, hit the two-step pop, let's slide it up. Go running around till I smoke it out. I'm USOs on the back doing burn now. We going racing on the gas, let's bounce.
Spreading you some love. Let's go to WC up, that's where I'm from. Now we're cruising all over the town. You can hear the V8 rapping on the USO song. We ride out together, that's how the USOs get up. No pain, no pain if you wanna get better. Let's still be a papa, mole, aka, pala, mole, me, USO, pala, Feeling like a spy, which is by my mega. Se fuese fufuanga, ya, or the drop of mega. We got the strap, right? Whenever we ride out, we got those hands smooth if you wanna get down. Represent SAMOAN from SLC. Straight from Manu, I tell it now I'm cruising on the streets. Kasi fucking, kasi loco, kasi po bilang USO. Say I